Hello everyone, we are taking a look today at the Trova Go Plus, a smart storage solution made out of lightweight aluminum alloy. This device is lockable and wirelessly connected via Bluetooth tech to keep your Trova vessel reassuringly secure. What else do we have in the box? We have a quick start guide by Trova. We have a little compartment that will hold your smaller items, say your jewelry or earrings, USB-C cable, and information. What's cool about this Trova Go Plus device is it has 60% more capacity, same length and width as the Go, but it's 30% deeper. This discrete portable biometric device is designed for daily storage of your private objects. So you can get into it via your face or your fingerprint. And it also has GPS tracking. Now let's take a closer look at the Trova Go Plus. It's a nice lightweight aluminum alloy. And here's the hinge on the back. And here's where you connect it and give it power via USB-C. And on this side is a button that tells you what is happening with the device. It will light up different colors. And it will also attach to its iOS and Google device app so that you can keep your most important things secure. And it looks just like a hard drive, right? Nobody will ever know that this is handling your most private items.